Hey YouTube, NSWD Tech Tips here. This time I want to share with you a small tip, if you don't know it already, to fix problems playing back videos on YouTube or via Twitter, Facebook, whatever. So you want to watch a video that's been sent to you via those apps, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, okay? You play the video plays fine, no sound. You're tweaking all the volume controls and everything and go into settings and nothing works. All you can see is the video and no sound. Now here's what's happening, okay? Basically, you need to clear the cache, right? That's the fix for it, okay? You don't need to do hard reset to the phone or anything or uninstall anything. Just clear the cache. Okay, I'm rocking a LG G5 SE. Okay, so what I'll do here, drag down from top. Okay, my mug's going to disappear there. Okay, go into settings. Okay, the cog settings, right? So let me just bring that down. So on my phone, I've got a rocking Nougat Android 7. Okay, so that's the data I've got. Okay, you go to general, scroll up and it's moved over. Okay, so you're looking for apps. Okay, click on apps and say for argument's sake, okay, let it do its thing, populate, loading. Okay, sometime this week, thank you. Yes, say you want to find say go to YouTube. Okay, go straight down to the bottom. I did say Twitter, but YouTube is a good example. Okay, RSTUVWXY at the very bottom. It would be. Okay, so you tap on YouTube. See where it says storage. Tap on that. Okay, doc, and that comes up. Now you see those two buttons. Data cache. Click clear data. Now I've done it already, so I don't need to do it again, right? So you don't even have to reboot the phone for this. Okay, trust me. So you come out of that after you clear the cache. Okay, you go to back to the home screen. You start up YouTube. Okay, there's my YouTube coming up. Okay. Why is it so slow today? Okay. Okay. And this video here.
Discover Audible with a free audiobook
So the
on
address
us.
comes up.
Ryan, you are Luke Skywalker. Colin, you are Princess Leia, which is normally how the gender...
That, copyright and all that. Okay? So, if you get the situation where you can't play a video via Twitter, Facebook or whatever, okay? You only get videos, you can play video but no sound, try clearing the cache, alright? And that, 9 times out of 10, will clear it, okay? Hope that helps. And it's WD Tech Tips signing off. Please subscribe, like and share. Have a nice day.